Hello everyone, I am Jillian Miller from BEd 1A and today I am tasked to discuss to you about the biological conservation. So biological conservation, the word biological refers to anything related to living organisms, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. While when we say conservation, it involves protection, preservation, and management of natural resources, including biological diversity. So, conservation biologists use the term umbrella refer to a species with a wide-ranging habitat. An umbrella species acts as a protector for many other species because conserving its habitat automatically safeguards the habitat of numerous plants and other animals that share its environment. Umbrella species, it is like holding an umbrella over a group, providing protection to everything underneath. Biological conservation is essential for maintaining the well-being of both human societies and the planet as a whole. And there are 6 examples of biological conservation, and these examples illustrate how biological conservation practices contribute to the preservation and sustainability of ecosystems. So the first example of biological conservation is the nutrient cycling. So by ensuring the efficient recycling of nutrients, biological conservation maintains soil fertility, supports plant growth, and sustains the productivity of ecosystems, thereby providing their overall health. Second is the soil respiration. Conserving soil respiration processes ensures the maintenance of soil structure, fertility, and carbon storage. Third is the pollination. Conserving pollination contributes to biodiversity conservation and ensures the sustainability of ecosystems and agricultural systems. Fourth is the fire disturbance. Implementing fire disturbance conservation strategies helps preserve ecosystems adapted to periodic burning. And the fifth is the food web dynamics. Conserving food web dynamics supports biodiversity conservation and ecosystems functioning. And the last example of biological conservation is the symbiotic relationships. Conserving symbiotic relationship enhances ecosystems productivity and stability. And this photo is to be continued to discuss by the next reporter and to explain to you what is this all about. Thank you.